With anticipation building for DJI's upcoming Neo product line, especially after a significant leak from Jasper Ellens, here's a summary of what we know so far about the DJI Neo drone, which is rumored to be announced on August 20th. Given the success of DJI's previous flying cameras, the company seems poised to enter the market with its latest creation, the DJI Neo. This drone is expected to cater to beginner pilots or anyone seeking a user-friendly, compact system for capturing photos and videos on the go. Unlike the unsuccessful Snap Pixie or the well-received HoverAir X1, the DJI Neo is set to carve its own niche. After all, DJI specializes in drones, not just flying cameras. The latest leak by Jasper Ellens includes screenshots from an Australian retailer showcasing all the capabilities of the DJI Neo. DJI clearly wasn't holding back when it set out to challenge HoverAir in the flying cameras arena. While HoverAir recently introduced its X1 Pro and Pro Max models, their only competitive edge lies in video resolution, offering 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. For me, the two standout features of the DJI Neo are its 22 gigabytes of storage and support for the Mic 2 through the Fly app. Typically, internal storage isn't a feature most pilots consider, unless, of course, you're in a pinch and all your SD cards are either full or left behind. On other DJI models like the Mavic 3 Pro, Classic, and Air 3, internal storage is limited to 8 gigabytes, and the Mini 4 Pro's 2 gigabytes is barely worth mentioning. Unless you're flying the Mavic 3 Cine with its massive 1 terabyte of storage, internal capacity isn't usually a major selling point for customers. However, according to Ellens, the DJI Neo won't support SD cards, making its 22 gigabytes of internal storage essential. Could this be the beginning of a shift towards 32 gigabytes SSDs in all future DJI products? We can only hope. Another standout feature is the Mic 2 integration. The listing suggests that users can connect their Mic 2 to the Neo through the Fly app, enabling synced audio for vlogs. It also promises rotor-free audio when recording low-altitude footage with the Neo. This feature clearly indicates the target market DJI has in mind for the Neo: small creators who aren't yet big enough to hire editors, or those simply wanting to share their adventures with friends and family, will appreciate not having to worry about syncing audio in post-production. Previously, this market gravitated towards DJI's Mini lineup, but even those drones have become more expensive and complex for those who just need a few short videos for Instagram or TikTok. The initial leaked announcement date was set for August 20th, which is gone, but DJI has yet to share any event details on its social media channels. This wouldn't be the first time DJI has kept the rest of the world waiting while it rolls out a new product overseas. We saw a similar pattern with the Flycart and many of DJI's agricultural drones, which eventually became available globally. Considering the HoverAir X1's stronger reception in China compared to other regions, it might make sense for DJI to launch the Neo there first before expanding its availability. Additionally, the current climate in many Western countries, particularly in the United States, isn't exactly favorable towards Chinese drone manufacturers, which could also influence DJI's launch strategy. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.